Have you ever felt stuck in a rut, wishing you could try something new and exciting? That's exactly what the idiom "break new ground" is all about. Let me share a funny story about someone who took this idiom a bit too literally. My friend, Sarah, was planning a big garden project and kept saying she wanted to break new ground for it. She actually started digging up her backyard, thinking that's what the idiom meant. The idiom "break new ground" actually means to do something in a new, innovative, or pioneering way. It's often used to describe exploring uncharted territory or trying something that hasn't been done before. Let me give you an example of how to use "break new ground" correctly. When my friend Sarah finally understood the true meaning, she decided to design a brand new, eco-friendly garden layout that no one in her neighborhood had tried before. She was really breaking new ground with her innovative approach. Here are some example sentences using "break new ground." The tech startup is breaking new ground with its revolutionary app design. The artist's latest exhibition breaks new ground in the world of abstract expressionism. To break new ground, the company is exploring sustainable manufacturing processes. In her latest novel, the author breaks new ground by exploring themes of social justice. Researchers are breaking new ground in the field of renewable energy solutions. Social media influencers are breaking new ground by creating unique, engaging content. The university's new interdisciplinary program aims to break new ground in education. To help you remember the meaning of "break new ground," think of a pioneer explorer hacking through dense, uncharted forest. This visual image can remind you of the idiom's meaning of doing something innovative and groundbreaking. The idiom "break new ground" has roots in agriculture, referring to plowing a field for the first time. This agricultural metaphor was then extended to any kind of innovative or pioneering effort, reflecting the human drive to explore, create, and push boundaries. Some similar idioms to break new ground include "blaze a trail," "pave the way," and "forge ahead." On the other hand, idioms like "play it safe" or "stick to the status quo" would be the opposite of breaking new ground. Let's try using "break new ground" in a sentence. The company's latest product design breaks new ground in the industry. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The company's latest product design is a pioneering, innovative approach that has not been seen before in the industry. I recently heard a great story about how a small business owner used the idiom "break new ground" effectively. When launching a new line of eco-friendly products, the owner emphasized that they were breaking new ground in their industry by using sustainable materials and production methods. This helped generate a lot of positive buzz and customer interest. One common mistake is to say, "I'm going to break new ground," when you actually mean, "I'm going to plow new ground." Plowing new ground refers to literally digging up untouched land, while breaking new ground is about doing something innovative or pioneering. Another mistake is thinking "break new ground" means to destroy or damage existing ground. Remember, the idiom is about creating or exploring something new, not damaging what's already there. Okay, let's test your understanding of "break new ground" with a few quiz questions. 1. What does the idiom "break new ground" mean? A. To literally dig up untouched land. B. To do something innovative or pioneering. C. To destroy existing ground. D. To play it safe. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with "break new ground"? A. Plow new ground. B. Blaze a trail. C. Stick to the status quo. D. Play it safe. 3. Which of these expressions is the opposite of "break new ground"? A. Forge ahead. B. Pave the way. C. Play it safe. D. Blaze a trail. In summary, the idiom break new ground is all about doing something innovative, pioneering, or exploring uncharted territory. Understanding this common idiom can really help improve your English communication skills and allow you to express yourself in more colorful, expressive ways. Now it's your turn. Share an example sentence using the idiom break new ground in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to apply this idiom in your own conversations and writing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons.